HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Ooh, it's Halloween, the spookiest time of the year. And here she comes, a witch riding on her broomstick. Ha 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 ha! Let us draw this super spooky and colorful witch for Halloween. Here we go. First, let's draw her face. And then her hat. She already looks like a spooky witch. Then, let's draw her hair, her dress, and her belt. And her broomstick for her Halloween ride. Almost done! And then we have to add her legs. Ooh, what pointy heels she has! Let us draw a star for the night sky. And a spider friend to go with her. Isn't he a cute spider? And let's add one more star. And another one. And a cute little bat to complete the night sky. Time for some magic. Let us glitter paint. Purple for the witch's hat. Let us make her hair colorful by painting it yellow, light blue, and red. Green for her face, an arm, purple for her robes. But let's add some more color to her dress. Yellow and pink. Peach for her neck and hands. Now let's use blue color for parts of the broomstick and her belt. And to complete the broomstick, some yellow, purple, red, and green. Now let's paint the broomstick brush brown. And green for her socks. And red for her shoes. And color in with orange to complete the socks too. The witch is done! Let's paint the bat with silver color. And let's use yellow for a star and the face of the cute bat. Let's use blue for another star and one more. And green for the last star. Lastly, let's use yellow for our spider's eyes. And pink for his cute face. Done! Our witch is ready for a Halloween ride. Happy Halloween, everyone!